One of the biggest shocks people get moving from Aotearoa to Australia is all the noisy bloody manu that live here. So let's check them out. Right, first up we got the lorikeets, per our Cuzzy's comment here. Now these things come in flocks of hundreds, if not thousands. And they start real early in the morning. Alright, next up from my original video is magpies. Now these things actually sound beautiful. Very noisy, but beautiful. Now the next one you probably heard, kookaburra. Again, bird that likes to wake up early in the morning. Alright, these are white cockatoos. Couldn't really get a close-up video of them making noise, but these things come in flocks of hundreds and they're just noisy as. Really big bird, make a lot of noise, lots of screeching. Now I'm going to go back to the magpie to have a listen to baby magpies, because these things are so noisy in the morning. They just make that noise all morning. Meep, 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 meep. Then there's these little buggers called noisy miners. Same thing with the babies, they just tweet all morning before the sun comes up. Beep, 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 beep. Outside your window. They're cute though. This one's called a currawong. They look a little bit like a magpie, but not as much white of them. They actually sound really nice. These buggers are called cuckoo birds, and what they do, they actually steal the eggs out of magpies' nests and lay their own in there, and so you strangely see these magpies raising these huge cuckoo birds. It's a weird sight to see. These are black cockatoos, really beautiful birds, really beautiful sound. Not that sound. That sound. And finally we've got these things called lyrebirds, which can pretty much mimic any sound.
The song in passport. 2 different species. And now a camera with a motor drive.
Makes a camera sound.
It's working nearby.
Making a chainsaw sound. Yeah, a trip to Aussie will mean lots of sleepless mornings with all these bloody birds making a racket.